Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Milansoccer1313. This is box break number 727. It is for a 22-23 Series 2 hobby, upper deck, box 6 of a sealed case, Friday, April the 28th. There is the date and time, 28th, Friday. Coming back to the serial number, once I go through a few things, the eBay user names, of course, being the most important winners. I'm going to pick on Philadelphia. All of the serial number and the rules are on all the listings, but just for those who are new, I'm going to pick on the Flyers, BB Kids. We don't ship out the commons, but if there is a hit for the Flyers, an insert, then or a young gun or anything like that, a shipment will go to BB Kids for the Flyers. If there isn't and it's only commons, no shipments will go out. Again, that's in all the listings, and the rules are detailed there. I'm going to go through the eBay usernames and come back to the serial number. Let's get started with the names of the winners. Flyers, Pens, Lightning Caps belong to BB Kids. Predators, BR245975. The Flames, the Canes, the Rangers, the Sharks, and the Blues belong to collector cards. The Bruins, Dart Player 72. The Leafs, the Jets, Fire Guy 77. The Wings and Kings, G Time 01. The Ducks, the Sabres, the Wild, and the Knights belong to Jester Entertainment. The Coyotes, the Jackets, the Senators, the Canucks belong to Johnny Dew. The Canadians, the Devils, and the Kraken, KV Mo 36. The Avs, Stavro 97. The Sharks and the Oilers, Stev Kalesio. The Hawks, Predators, and Islanders, Tene 53. Going back up here to the serial number. There you go, 8405. Go here, there we go. 8405 as listed in all the listings. Let's open this box up and get started. Let's get cracking here. Let me just move that over a bit. All right. Good luck to everyone. Oh, we started with a city card, the Toronto Maple Leafs. Congratulations to Toronto. Young Gun, David Jernak for your Columbus Blue Jackets. Congratulations, Columbus. And we started with a UD rookie, Mateus Michelli, for your Arizona Coyotes. Congratulations, Arizona. Oh, nice. A clear cut of Nick Paul for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Nice looking card. Clear cut for Tampa. Oh, and it's an instant impression for Brent Burns for your Carolina Hurricanes. A dazzler, Philip Ruse for your Chicago Blackhawks. Young Gun, there's the big guy. Jurgej Slavaski for your Montreal Canadiens. Congratulations, Montreal. #1 draft pick. Young Guns card. Nice hit. Superstar honor roll, Jake Sanderson for your Ottawa Senators. Young Gun, Elmer Soderblom for your Detroit Red Wings. Oh, nice. This is a Beniers, which is a really nice card. Matt Beniers for your Seattle Kraken for Calder. That's a nice looking card. CC1. Congratulations, Seattle. That's a nice card. Matty Beniers. UD canvas of Marcus Foligno for your Minnesota Wild. UD canvas Joe Pavelski for your Dallas Stars. That is going to be a French variant for your Nick Bonino for your San Jose Sharks. Young Gun Philip Ruse for your Chicago Blackhawks. One of those city cards, that's the Washington Capitals. Congratulations, Washington. World Juniors grad Caulfield for your Montreal Canadiens. Oops, missed a card behind there. Just make sure we get them all. Lunchbox Legends. Adam Fox for your Rangers. Is that? Yes, it is. It's an exclusive for your Carolina Hurricanes out of 87. 100, sorry. 87 out of 100. Exclusive for Carolina. Congratulations to Carolina. Good hit. Nice exclusive. Got a clear cut exclusive. Nice Young Gun. First overall pick. Good box. Superstar honor roll. Nikita Okhatuku for your New Jersey Devils. And it's a UD Portrait rookie, Jake Christensen, for your Columbus Blue Jackets. Oh, look at that. Program of Excellence. Now I got to check. Oh, it's Shane Wright. I don't have to check anything. That's a nice, look at that. Shane Wright, if you can see it there. There he is. For your Seattle Kraken, because the Program of Excellence goes to the player or team that's drafted him. That is an excellent card. Congratulations. That's a canvas to the Kraken. Great card. This has been a really nice box. Really nice box. And it's a young gun, Michael Carcone, for your Arizona Coyotes. Again, that canvas goes to the Kraken, just to remind everybody. And another young gun, Jacob Lauko, for your Boston Bruins. Last pack out of a hell of a box. And we end with a UD canvas, Philip Grubauer, for your Seattle Kraken. Let's go back to the last time here, 11/18, Friday the 28th, and let's go find the Kraken. Kraken, KVMO 36. Great box, great break. Have a good night.